Okay, so we've got a couple of things going on here. We're making hamburger buns, and then I'm gonna make sloppy joes for dinner tonight. So chop 1 onion, 3 ribs of celery, a green pepper, and I have a few of my carrots in the fridge and I don't want them to go to waste, so I'm gonna put those in my sloppy joe as well. Usually you don't do that, but anyway, I'm gonna use them up. And then Justin has 2 tablespoons of yeast in the bowl, a cup of warm water, and some oil. And then he'll add an egg and some flour, and he's gonna make hamburger buns. And I'll bring you back when this is done, and we're gonna start the sloppy joes. I've put my onion and my celery and my green pepper and the little bit of carrots that I'm using up in, 3 tablespoons of oil. And I've sauteed them and cooked them till they're soft. I mean, they're not totally soft, but they're softer. Now I'm going to add my meat. Gosh, there's probably 3 pounds of meat here. I make a huge batch of this because you can freeze this so easy. And it's one of my family's favorite things to eat. So it doesn't last long. And it's just super good. This is my mom's recipe. I wish she was here and I could share it with her. Okay, let's salt and pepper this well. I love cooking big batches of stuff because I love leftovers. Okay, we'll put the lid on, we'll cook it, and we'll come back. Okay, we've got our hamburger all cooked up. I added some garlic to it as well. And then I drained it. I put some paper towels in my colander, dumped it all in my colander because I do not like it swimming in fat. Now we're going to add a couple of cans of tomato soup. And we're gonna add a little bit of vinegar. I don't know, maybe a tablespoon of vinegar. And we're gonna put some ketchup in there. I don't know, about that much. And we're gonna do some beef bouillon. Probably a tablespoon of beef bouillon. And some chili powder. Tablespoon of chili powder, at least. You do it to your taste. And we're going to put some brown sugar in there. Good third of a cup. Geez, I'm messy. Okay guys, so this is the finished Sloppy Joe. They are super delicious, and these are Justin's rolls. They turned out great as well. So leave me a comment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a great day.